Hey there, ever thought about how a simple act of kindness can transform lives? Today, I'm diving into the powerful ripple effect of kindness. And trust me, it's more extraordinary than you might think. Imagine this. You're having a rough day and someone holds the door open for you. It's such a small thing, right? But it shifts your mood, brightens your moment. Now you're paying it forward, smiling at a stranger, helping someone out, or just being a little more patient. And guess what? That positivity spreads, creating a wave of goodwill. This is the ripple effect of kindness. You see, kindness is contagious. When you perform an act of kindness, it inspires others to do the same. Researchers have found that when we see someone being kind, our brains light up, prompting us to act kindly too. It's like a domino effect, but with smiles and good deeds. Think about it. One kind gesture can lead to another, and another, reaching far beyond what you might imagine. It could be as simple as buying a coffee for the person behind you in line, or sending an encouraging message to a friend. These little actions can make a world of difference. Now you might be wondering, how can I incorporate more kindness into my daily life? Here are a few easy ways to get started. First, practice gratitude. Take a moment each day to appreciate what you have and express thanks to those around you. It lifts your spirits and theirs. Next, lend a helping hand. Whether it's assisting a colleague at work, volunteering in your community, or just being there for someone in need, your support matters more than you know. And finally, spread positivity. Compliment someone, share a laugh, or simply listen when someone needs to talk. Your positive energy can have a profound effect on those around you. So what happens when we make kindness a habit? We create a cycle of positivity and compassion, making our world a better place, one act at a time. Remember, you have the power to make a difference. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, sends ripples of positive change outward. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. Let's start a ripple effect today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to spread some kindness. Until next time, stay kind and stay inspired.